In this video we will be discussing support and resistance. What is support and resistance? Support is an area where price bounces off of, refusing to break below. Resistance is an area where price refuses to break above. Important point to note: support and resistance is an area, not just a single line. In order for the area to be valid, it must have 3 or more touches. The more, the better. Here we are plotting the areas on the weekly chart. There are major and minor areas of support and resistance. Major areas are where there are very few breaks of the zone, while minor areas have a lot of breaks. As you can see on this chart, the areas are respected. If we zoom in, we can see how price respects and tests the area. When plotting these zones, you can use a platform called TradingView. Here we see price retesting resistance and breaking through to another area of support. If we move over to the daily time frame, we can see price still respects the zones. Also, support and resistance can be diagonal. These are also called trend lines. Here is an example of one. We can see it touches the line 4 times as support and retests as resistance. This is another key point: support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. Let us review the points we have just covered. Support and resistance are price rejection zones, not just single lines. Always plot the obvious zones. Secondly, for the area to be valid, you need 3 or more touches. We have diagonal and horizontal support and resistance levels. There are major and minor levels. And lastly, support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. An easy way to remember it is: support is like a floor and resistance is like a ceiling. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And make sure to like and subscribe to this channel.